teacher says I can't complete the entire syllabus in one night. Just watch me. I drank this whole cup.
No, you didn't. I first found the coffee you were using, the Dark Roast Classico. On the label it says 50 cups and I found out that it has 3.5 ounces of coffee or 100 grams. This specific brand has 35 milligrams of caffeine per teaspoon. A teaspoon is 1.8 grams, which means there is about 19.4 milligrams of caffeine per 1 gram of coffee. Since each jar was 100 grams, there is 1,944 milligrams of caffeine in each jar. That means the 3 jars together would have 5,833 milligrams of caffeine. I then started wondering, how much water did you add, and is it possible to even dissolve this much coffee in that amount of water? So I went and found out what kettle you were using to calculate the flow of water using fluid dynamics. I sadly can't tell everyone how I found out, but your kettle is the Fellow Stag EKG electric gooseneck. I then reached out to the company and they gave me an image of the spout of the kettle, which showed it has an inner diameter of 8 millimeters. But then I realized I blundered. At first I failed to notice that you edited your video. It's subtle, but you can see in this frame the kettle suddenly jumps up. So I can't prove that you actually mix everything correctly, but I can still prove what you're claiming is wrong. Continuing on, we said 3 jars together have 5,833 milligrams of caffeine. Now we need to find out how many cups does 1 jar fill of your forbidden brew. The density of instant coffee is 0.22 grams per centimeters cubed. Since we had 100 grams of coffee, that means the volume of the jar is 454 centimeters cubed, which is 454 milliliters of water. A standard cup is 250 milliliters of water. That means your cup would have 55% of the total caffeine in the 3 jars, meaning your cup has about 3,200 milligrams of caffeine. Since you would start having seizures at 1,200 milligrams, no, you didn't drink the whole cup.